Hey guys, back again with our Dos Caminos project, and things are moving along good. We have our engine rebuilt, all ready to go. And what we need to do next is worry about the cooling system. Let me show you what I'm working with. This is the radiator that came out of the car. Well, as you can see, it's seen some things. And it's probably worse for wear. And yes, this is a budget build, but this crusty, leaky thing's not gonna fly. Let me show you of the alternative here. Let me show you the good news of today's video. Got home the other day and this box was waiting for me. Now this box comes from our friends at Alloy Works. Now Alloy Works specializes in replacement radiators for a budget. Now they helped me out before with a couple of my last projects, specifically Big Richard, which I'll put a little thing in here for you to look at. Worked out great, fit perfect, first time, no issues. Fan motor worked great, the relays, all the wiring supplied was all top notch. So let's open up this box and see what kind of goodness we have in here. Very well packed to survive shipment. All right. Little yellow envelope, and in the yellow envelope is all the real nice stuff. This is your temperature sensor, your wiring, your relay, all real heavy duty good stuff. Really actually nice quality stuff. We'll put that aside. And we'll pull out our radiator fan combo. Oh yeah. Radiator to fan combo. Packing. More packing. Good job of packing. All right, let's open this up. Now you can see there's an obvious difference in between our old radiator and our new one. This one is specifically engineered to fit the G-body Chevrolet and GMC, Elcaminos, Malibus, all Grand Prix, whatever variant you have of a G-body. This will drop right in to your existing radiator sport area. Plenty of room for the condenser in front of it. Two high volume electric fans. Again with the relay. What's nice about these, having two, you can wire them up all kinds of different ways. You could have them key on one, key on two, and they're on all the time. You could have a thermostat on one. You could have the AC on the other one. You could have key on one and AC on the other, whatever you want. But they're nice, they're two separate, they're on separate circuits. You can run them together or however you want to set it up. It's beautiful, it's high quality aluminum with a shroud. Again, a really, really nice piece. Comes complete, radiator cap, all ready to install. Now this is going to give you 30% better cooling over that factory garbage that we pulled out of here that's from the 80s. So, really nice upgrade. If you're putting in a hot motor and you need a little more protection, this is the way you got to go. But like I said, let's take it over to the car, drop it in, and see how she fits. And you can see it slides easily into the factory location, just like it was designed to. A perfect OEM fit, 30% better cooling. I mean, you can't really beat it. It fits in there perfect, clears everything perfectly. It's going to use the stock hose location, stock trans cooler locations. You can't beat it. So that's going to be it for today, guys, with Project Dos Caminos. As always, thanks for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Questions, comments, concerns below, put them down beneath. I'll leave a link to the Alloy Works, which is obviously partial sponsor of this video. But good quality products, good prices, and we'll see you guys later. Thanks.